Dubrovnik, Croatia. This was one cloud, now it's two. It broke apart. There's nothing else. And it's been sitting there for quite a while. Now it's in two pieces, like I said. Good morning, Geronimo. He tapes a lot from here. You should check his videos out. He's got great footage. Yeah, they're doing something here. Not much, but they're changing their appearance a little bit. Isn't it pretty? I wanted to check out the hologram sky. I'm not sure if it's going to show up until I upload it. If it doesn't, I'll just delete it. So let's see. It's 6 a.m. here, so it's noon there. 6 hours ahead of the United States. Ooh, look at it. It changed big time. They'll probably disappear. That's what they do. What's everyone doing for this holiday? Traveling, staying home? I've been resting for days now and it's been good. Went out to the wood pile and was harvesting a little bit of wood and big fat copperhead snake. All coiled up. Yep. He's dead now. There's a lot of copperheads around here. There's all kinds of different snakes around here. I haven't seen a lot of spiders, but boy, there's a lot of snakes. I'm not too into reptiles. Alright. Well, I guess we'll go because that'll probably just end up disappearing too. Just wanted to take a look at it. See what Croatia looked like this afternoon. It looks beautiful. A few more seconds. Evening time's a good time for Croatia. Or in the dark for anomalies. I don't usually visit here at noontime. It was nice seeing, kind of fun seeing that cloud disappear though. Like I said, if we waited here long enough, that one would too. Alright. Have a great weekend, everyone, and have a great day, Geronimo. Kisses. Bye.